Hello, welcome to InnoVyne's brand new talk series, Compensation Matters. Here we explore the intricacies and innovations in compensation and sales performance management. This is a place where real, practical insights are shared openly without any fluff or a sales pitch. We know that sometimes in this field it could be difficult to find the right source or a reliable answer to your questions. That's why we created Compensation Matters. We are bringing together voices that have walked in your shoes, experts and leaders in HR, compensation, sales, revenue operations that have lived through these challenges and know them inside and out. Our goal is simple. We want to offer you insights and guidance that make real impact in your life and in your business. In each episode, we will have honest, no nonsense conversations with industry experts that are designed to not only be informative, but to be applicable to your everyday work. But here's what makes this truly special to us. Compensation Matters is shaped by you. Your suggestions, questions, or feedback is what guides us through this process. This is not only our platform, it is yours too. And together, we want to build a resource that is genuinely useful, practical, and most importantly, accessible to everyone. So please join us in this journey because when it comes to compensation, every conversation matters.